In the noise of the world I have wandered, through the voices of fear and of shame, through the doors that led nowhere but darkness, till I heard you call out my name. Not a call that demanded perfection, not a voice full of judgment or blame, just the sound of a shepherd who loves me, a mercy that swallowed my pain.
You are the gate, you are the way,
the threshold of fear into light.
I will come in and go out and find pasture,
Led by your voice through the night.
Good Shepherd,
You bore what I could not,
scarred hands reaching down for the lost,
not to own me,
not to chain me.
You became the door at all cost. To the broken, the bruised, and the outcast, to the ones that the world left behind, He speaks words that still shock us with mercy. Turn around, there is life left to find. He has carried our sins in His body on the cross where the old order died. Not a king in a tower of glory, but a wounded healer beside. You are the gate,
You are the way, you are the gate.
3,000 hearts broke open when they heard the voice of grace. Not in shame were they undone, but in the mercy on His face. So I lay down my scrambling, I lay down my desperate race. I have heard my name called gently, and I turn to find your face.
You are the gate, you are the way,
The threshold of fear into light.
I will come in and go out and find pasture,
Clothed in your love, not my fright.
Good Shepherd,
You lead and you find us
through valleys too dark to be crossed.
You don't count us,
You come for us,
leaving 99 for the